Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment at plus 0.76, well above the historical baseline. This is particularly interesting given that momentum has also jumped to plus 0.39, suggesting a strong upward shift in investing sentiment. With 20 semantic clusters identified in this data, you can dive deep into the nuances driving this change. Our API returns comprehensive insights on sentiment shifts, sentiment scores, and momentum metrics, all in real time. Imagine using this data to adjust your trading strategies or to inform your models. If you're building a sentiment analysis tool, this could be a game changer for your algorithms. For more insights and to dive deeper into the API, head over to pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.